First of all, I want to thank, I want to thank all of you for giving me so much more than I deserve. So thank you all for the love, and it's because of you that I have the strength to fly. So thank you so much for being my strength. It feels I truly don't believe that I was born for this. I've really put in a lot of effort, and I credit it all to the people I work with, my team. For example, in this case, you and Puneet, and of course the dynamic duo over here. So it's a huge team effort, and I'm very, very grateful that I've got this opportunity to finally work with Dharma. It's my first film, and what better film than Student of the Year to start off my collaboration with you. So,
All right,
thank you so
Tiger.
much.
Did,
I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank
okay,
you.
now that's Tiger saying all the right things. Now we've got to get some wrong things out of him as well, okay? That's our endeavor today, which I tried very hard on 2 seasons of my show. I managed a little bit on the second season because he was squeezed between these 2 wonderful girls. And was that a good feeling, Tiger, before I open it up the house? What was their dynamic like in your life? Such a serious thought before such a...
No, it was genuinely, I had a lot of fun. I felt like I wasn't working with I wasn't working with 2 newcomers. They're just so
Who was more fun?
who's more fun. Both of them have their moments. Of
Which
glory.
moment with who did you like the most?
Puneet, you want to answer this for me? I need some help.
Puneet
enjoy
has
the
had his
moment,
fair
yeah?
share of moments, but with with other people. We won't talk about Puneet.
Yeah, that's not fair. Tiger enjoyed the moment. He should answer this.
All right, we won't put him on the spot anymore. I think if he blushes anymore, it'll look like he look one big tomato. All right.
यूजुअली जब हम सुपरस्टार्स की फिल्म सिंगल स्क्रीन पे देखने जाते हैं तो डायलॉग्स नहीं सुनाई देते थैंक्स टू विसल एंड हूटिंग और वो ये ट्रेलर में हुआ इतना एक्सपेक्ट किया था आप लोगों ने हाउ इज दिस फीलिंग
Who are you asking, man?
ऑल ऑफ अस 3 ऑफ यू
डायलॉग किसने बोले थे? तुमने मैक्सिमम तुम नहीं बोले थे. तुम ही जवाब दे दो. मेरे डायलॉग पे कोई तालियां नहीं बजती.
Well, it's a fantastic feeling. Again, I'd like to credit the makers for that. It was Puneet's brainchild, and this line "Din tera tha, saal mera hoga" was stemmed from him. So thank you, Puneet sir, for giving me that
I
dialogue.
also want to tell you the film is co-directed by Tiger. So,
Yeah, so I wanted to get to
Yeah.
that, ma'am. Can I just take
So
a
do not-
question in as
do
well?
not believe all
so
of this.
I just want to know behind this, and I'm going to ask the girls and Puneet this. Behind this good boy visage, what's really ticking? Ananya.
it's the biggest scam. It's
Yeah,
the biggest
Lisa,
scam.
it's
Scam
the biggest
artist,
scam. Karan,
It's a scam. Let the girls answer. हाँ, क्या है ये good boy? एकदम सच्चाई है, reality है. इसके
सच्चाई
पीछे
नहीं
क्या
है
राज
इसके पीछे काफी चीजें हैं जो मतलब ये दिखाता नहीं है
एक सेकंड
Please,
आपको क्या लगता है? आपको लगता है ये झूठ है?
you can't do that that's
Thank
not,
you,
that's
thank
not
you, I
fair.
love you guys.
That's not fair. That's not fair.
हाँ, आप बोलिए.
He is very sweet, I would say that, but he is also very naughty. I think if you leave him with his boys,
The
then he's
biggest
like,
brat in Student of the Year is Tiger Shroff.
Puneet Malhotra.
Karan,
Hanji.
in Coffee with Karan episode, we saw their chemistry, girls' chemistry, but there were a lot about Puneet also, but he was not there. What was it? Tigers and Puneet chemistry.
Tiger and Puneet की
We
chemistry.
share a very, very good
They have a
relationship.
see. There is romance between the 3 of them. There's bromance there. So it's a full kind of bromance meets romance on set and behind the scenes happening. When you see the film, you'll get the vibe as to what I mean. And I think this is the first time Tiger worked with a director that was closer to his age bracket, I think.
Younger.
A lot of you guys don't know Puneet sir was actually an actor. He came to be a hero before he became a director. So
And if you notice, there is full sarcasm on this face when he says it.
no,
Which you're
really,
not
all you
catching.
see
तो
is
कई बार
ads
ऐसा
on
होता
YouTube.
था कि every time we give our shots, there's a rehearsal before the take. So Puneet sir used to stand in for me and give my shots alongside. अगर romantic scene होता था तो
Not
तारा
the
के
romantic
सामने,
scenes,
या
no.
अनन्या के सामने. He used to perform, and then I used to come in and do the take.
And apparently he took very long in the rehearsals. Is it true?
Took quite a few takes for the
Okay,
rehearsals.
all right,
yeah.
okay. Yeah.
आप दोनों की पहली फिल्म है और पहली ही फिल्म के पहले आप दोनों की लिंकअप की खबरें आती है आप इन्हें कैसे देखते हो
अनन्या और तारा आपकी लिंकअप की खबरें आ रही हैं क्या?
Listen,
आपका क्या
I
कहना है?
think कि एक ही बात बाकी है. I think you all should link up Ananya and me because that's all that's left now.
Yes.
I think दोनों हमारे लिंक अप रूमर्स हमारे दूसरे हीरोज के साथ है तो काम की बात ही है तो आई डोंट थिंक इतनी बड़ी बात है ये
चलता
सब
रहता है ये।
चलता रहता है
चलता
हाँ,
रहता है,
यार,
चलता
बट
part
सही
of it.
कितना है, गलत कितना है?
Uh,
ये
तारा
main
जी,
MC तो
अनन्या,
ये है।
आप तीनों से सवाल है
ये मेरा
कि
job ले लिया
आपने रियल जिंदगी में भी स्टूडेंट लाइफ जिया है आपने। फर्स्ट टाइम आप तीनों ऑन स्क्रीन स्टूडेंट लाइफ जीने जा रहे हैं, तो क्या कुछ आपने रियल जिंदगी के स्टूडेंट लाइफ को मिस किया और क्या कुछ नयापन दिखा आपको?
ऐसा स्कूल आई थिंक रियल लाइफ में नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता है, बहुत लार्जर देन लाइफ है। तो काश मेरा स्कूल भी ऐसा होता, इतने हॉट लड़के होते, हम इतने क्यूट कपड़े पहन सकते। तो हाँ, कोई रियल मेमोरीज नहीं थी, ये काफ़ी था।
I had a blast in school and college, but nothing compared to what we've experienced in Student of the Year 2. And it's just been magical and amazing.
We have last